Hello guys, how are we all? I hope you're all doing well. Oh, I feel like this is such a little old school setup sitting on the floor here with my cup of tea, but I've literally just got back from the gym to a super exciting box, not even a package, a box, and it's from none other than my faves at White Fox. And I feel like we've got some good bits in here today. So I thought I'd pop the camera on and share and show you some bits I picked up from White Fox recently. I do have a discount code as always. It's Miss Laura GM. I'll pop it on screen and in the description box. It will get you 15% off. As you guys may know, I'm off on holiday literally tomorrow as I'm filming this. I'm going to Lanzarote for a week just for a little bit of winter sun, and I don't know about anyone else, but at this time of the year, I always struggle if I want to get some more kind of summery and, yeah, summery bits. But White Fox is amazing because it's Australian based. They always have like a bit of everything. So they'll have like autumn, winter, summer. And because obviously it will be going into their summer very shortly in Australia, they tend to have like all the best bits at this time of the year. So yeah, they are based in UK as well now. They have like a UK warehouse, so you can get UK next day delivery, which is amazing as well. But yeah guys, without further ado, I thought we'd just do first impressions, and I can share and show you some bits I picked up from White Fox. Also, what do you think to the red nails? I nipped into the nail shop on the way back from the gym, and I thought I'd go for red because I'm like, oh, holiday, but then also kind of like Christmas festive period. So yeah, loving the red nails. Anyway, before I get into this jacket, just to clarify, is White Fox as well because I get so many questions about this. I've got the matching leggings on, and this is genuinely one of my favourite gym sets ever. Oh, and the sports bra is White Fox as well. Honestly, my whole activewear wardrobe is forever White Fox. It's just my favourite. So just thought I'd quickly show you that. But without further ado, let's get into the haul. So the first thing I picked up was a new holiday bag. They had some stunning ones. How nice is this? I need to take off the plastic so you can see it in all of its glory. It's giving designer, but obviously without the hefty price tag. I love this. I feel like it came in white as well, but I thought I'd go for the brown. That is just such the perfect size as well. Oh, that's so cute, guys. Okay, then next up, sticking to accessories, I picked up 2 pairs of glasses. So I thought I'd get a pair of sunglasses because honestly, does anyone else have this problem? But I forever misplace sunglasses and it's the bane of my life. And then I also wanted to get some blue light glasses. If you don't already know, White Fox do the best sunglasses, and I've also noticed that they do blue light glasses now. So I got this pair. Let's try these on. I don't know. What do we think? Do you never know if I put blue light glasses on? I know like they've got no lens to them, but I just can't get used to wearing them when I'm on my my laptop or my phone. Let me know if any of you guys wear blue light glasses and if they actually work. But I've just been noticed, like, I think I'm getting quite a bit of eye strain at the moment, so I thought I'd try these out. Oh, that's so cool. Like when you go like that, you can actually see the blue. I'm not sure if they suit me though. So there we go. But I'm gonna try and wear them. Then the next pair of glasses I got was sunglasses, and oh, they look like this. I love the aviator style. Like it's just my forever go-to. Although, I'm not sure about them. I don't think Mitchell will like them at all. I didn't realise the lens was yellow. Oh, maybe it is because I've got my gym kit on as well. I might look cooler when I'm actually in some sun clothes and not a gym kit. I do like that shape though. I'm just not sure about the lens. The sun's just come out, so I'm sorry if the lighting's changed a little bit. I'm going to start with activewear first of all. So first thing I picked up is actually a jumpsuit. I just thought this is going to be the most versatile thing ever because I love wearing activewear sometimes just on a day-to-day basis, just comfy, casual, and I also obviously just love it for the gym. So I got this jumpsuit and it's got such a nice neckline, so it's halter neck, ties around as well, and then it's got a bit of a scoop back and then just goes into like a gorgeous flare leg. I'll insert the clip so you can see me wearing this. Like I say, I just think this is super versatile because I will wear this for the gym. You know, if I'm just doing like a light cardio session, I'll wear that for the gym, but then equally I can wear it for day to day. And I picked up this hoodie, no, not a hoodie, it's a sweat to go with it, small to medium. It's just this gorgeous camel teddy fleece. Oh my god, this is so nice. I already know I'm going to be living in this like I am this. I always wear this jacket from WHITEFOX now, so at least I've got another one. Well, I say I always wear this one, I rotate my WHITEFOX ones, but this is another one to add to that collection. Then, oh my god, I haven't even got them on hand, but I basically live in a black pair of, they're kind of like wide leg pants, and they're just the most comfortable thing ever. I live in them. I wear them every week. It's like my go-to uniform for comfy at home, but then equally you can chuck on a leather jacket and just look put together. Anyway, they do them in navy, guys, so I had to get the navy pair as well. Just trust me, if you want the softest, nicest fitting, comfiest trousers for day-to-day ever, just get these and thank me later. So this is the navy pair, and they've got this white and red stripe down. They're elasticated, so they fit gorgeous around the waist, and they're just the perfect fit. They are a little long for me, but I'm 5'3", so they're perfect for my taller girls as well. You've got plenty of length in them. I basically took the backs of them into my trainer, but you obviously could get them taken up as well. But they're absolutely fine. I've said this before, but I'd rather them be long than like ankle bashers. I got them in a size small, and I just want to say as well, they wash immaculate. I was worried that like when I washed them they wouldn't be as soft, but they're still as soft as when I first got the black ones. I then thought I'd pick up a new faux leather jacket, because you guys will always see me in a faux leather jacket. I rotate my WHITEFOX ones all the time, and they truly are my favourite. And I noticed they had a new style in, so I grabbed this. It's called She's Sassy PU jacket, small to medium in coffee. Now I've sized up in a few of my other WHITEFOX jackets to a medium to large. Now, it just depends what style you want to go for, but with this I wanted it a little bit more fitted, and I think because it's got the elastic around the bottom, I wanted it to, like I say, just be cinched in, and it would look really nice with a pair of jeans. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Love the pockets here, I love the neck of it, and I just love that it's brown as well, because I'm just loving chocolate brown right now. And I also really like the gold hardware on it too, and it does, yeah, it has a zip too. So excited for that. Then I also just picked up a casual basic top, because casual basics from WHITEFOX are always elite and super nice quality. So I just grabbed very simply this grey, I think it's grey, yeah, grey mauve. It's called the Roll Cow ribbed long sleeve top, size small. Really like the buttons on this. Just got 3 buttons there. Oh wait, no, 4 or 5 buttons actually. It goes down a bit longer than what I realised. Long sleeve, so soft, quality is 10 out of 10 as always. That would look really nice with a pair of jeans. Or also, would it go with the navy? I feel like it'll even go with the navy actually. Oh, excited for that. Right, then I picked up a couple outfits, like I say, for going out in the festive season, because I've got a few things coming up. So first of all, this would make the most perfect Christmas party dress or New Year dress. This little black one. I believe they do it in another colour as well. But, oh my god, WHITEFOX did a few years ago a black dress like this, and they also did it in red. I'm not sure if they still do it. And it's literally the same fabric, like a gorgeous satin fabric. Just, it fitted so nice. You know that dress that you put on, you're like, I feel so comfortable in it. So I feel like it's that. Except now it's got the addition of this gorgeous embroidery sequin flower. It's got 2 on them. The detailing is so beautiful. And then if I show you the back, it's actually like a corset, so you can like cinch yourself in. I got this in a size small. I am obsessed with that, so I can't wait to find a night out to wear that too. Then next up, I picked up this dress. So it's in this gorgeous plum colour. And again, I thought this would be perfect for like a Christmas party dress, because it's given, I think the colour kind of gives autumn, winter, Christmas. But equally, I could probably wear this on holiday as well. Although I don't know, it's a bit of a thicker fabric. So it's a halter neck. That's what the halter neck looks like. Again, it got a little bit of a drop back. And then I believe it has this like wraparound belt. It's quite hard to show you, so I'll obviously show you on the try on. But yeah, it's got this like embellished wraparound belt, and it's a midi dress. It just looked so classy on the model on the website. I just thought, oh, that's a bit of me. Nice pair of heels and a clutch bag. Stunning. Okay, then next up, a few things I picked up for my holiday, but equally, again, they're things you could wear in the upcoming season. Well, especially this first one. So this is it shorts? Yeah, shorts. I don't normally go for shorts, but this outfit just looked so gorgeous. So these are called Vintage Heel Shorts. I got these in a medium because I didn't know how to get the small actually. I always look at things and think, oh, that might look a bit big, but then I try it on and I'm like, no, it fits perfect. I do have like big thighs and a big bum, so that's why I thought I'd go up to a medium in the shorts. They're quite short. Maybe I'll put a pair of tights under them. But then the top, again, top's gonna be quite hard to show you, but it's essentially like a shirt that goes up. It's sleeveless, and then it's like backless as well, and then on the back it like does up in a bow. It looks gorgeous. You'll see on the try on, so play the try on. But I just thought, I really liked that, quite fancied that again for a night out. And equally, I love an all black outfit on holiday, so I'm going to take that with me. Then next up, I saw this in the summer and I really wanted to get my hands on it, but it was out of stock forever. It's just recently come back in stock. It's this little knitted two-piece set. So it's in this gorgeous kind of, it's almost like a gold. What colour are they describing it as? Like maybe a nude? Magic Memory knit maxi skirt, champagne. So they are calling it champagne. I got the skirt in a size small. Simply just looks like this. It's in this gorgeous knit. It's like a metallic knit. And then the top to go with is a halter neck top, and it's got this gorgeous like flower detail on. It's just so simple but so pretty, and again just looked so stunning on the girl. I think the girl that was wearing it was brunette, and obviously with my recent brunette hair change as well, I was like, need to get that. Then I picked up a couple more coords. I love a coord. I just think during on holiday it's just such an easy throw on, isn't it? You haven't really got to think too much. You can style them up really easily with a lot of nice accessories. So the first one I got, I thought I could wear this maybe for day to day. It is further away pants, size small. They're elasticated, and these actually look like the most perfect wide leg trousers. I feel like this could even be a nighttime outfit actually. Probably actually is more nighttime. They're so nice. They feel so soft, and they're like double, yeah, they're like double layered, but they're still thin, like they're not super thick. They're really nice. And then the top to go with is another halter neck number. Ties up at the back, it's backless. She's classy, love that. Then last but not least, the last coordinate I picked up, I thought this would be gorgeous for evening. So it's in a kind of like cream colour. It says off-white, but if I just show you compared to the white, you can kind of see the difference. Yeah, that's better. So again, we've got wide leg trousers again. They're elasticated, they've got pockets. They feel so soft. They literally, yeah, they feel so comfortable. And then it simply just has, again, this gorgeous top to go with. So it's like a bit of a cow neck. And then the back on it is so pretty as well. It crosses over. I think they do that in another colour as well. So yeah, if you like that colour, then check out the other one. I'm not sure, I think it might be the green. But anyway guys, that is everything I picked up from White Fox this month. Don't forget, like I say, I do have a discount code of White Fox. It's Miss Laura GM. I'll pop it on screen. Be sure to use that at the checkout to save yourself some money off. But yeah, let me know if you pick anything up, or if you need help with any sizing or anything, just let me know, because I do get a few comments about like what sizes and stuff to get. Thank you so much for watching if you made it to the end of the video, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!